Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new to my channel then you're very welcome here. My name is Lesleyannecade. I'm here today to do a review. What is it, may you ask? Yes, well, if you know me, you know I love my jewellery. If you don't know me, I love my jewellery. I have been sent some amazing jewellery. When I was asked if I would do a review on this, of course I jumped at it. I'll tell you a little bit about the company in a minute. But when you purchase from the company, then you do get a lovely little gift bag to put your gift in. And you also get a lovely little card then write onto the person that you're gifting. You also get your silver cleaning cloth, or your jewellery cleaning cloth I should say, really. And am I keeping you waiting? Yes, I am. Can't wait to get this open. I know exactly what it is because obviously I could choose something. So this time I went for something very different to what I have gone for in the past. I think it's pronounced Jewellery. So it's Jeuli. Love, life, love me. How pretty is that? You can have a personalised inspiration as well if you wanted to have something personalised. You've also got the scanner there to be able to scan to go straight through onto the website. There's also a thank you card in here, and this is offering you $15 on orders over $100, and then there's a coupon code which I will share with you, and if you're spending £200 or over, there's a £50 coupon code you can get for a discount. And that actually expires on 30th of June 2026. We'll include everything in the description box as regards to the website, discount codes, etc. Free shipping, no minimum sort of payment to get you free shipping. You get points for your purchases, so you can build up points. Return shipping fee reimbursement, priority service, and a birthday gift credit. And loads more, loads more. We get to the most exciting thing. I've chosen 2 items that become 3, okay? So I'm going to take them out of the box. So that's the lovely box that actually 2 pieces come in. And I'm going to tease you a little bit because I just want to share with you that the jewellery from this particular company is more than just your average piece of jewellery. It's not just an accessory. It's become an emotion. It's become a personal look to you and to me. It can become a memory. Premium artisan piece of jewellery. They take extreme pride in their craftsmanship and creating something using environmentally conscious materials. So whether it's a ring, engagement ring, a dress ring, a necklace, earrings, each piece of jewellery is thoroughly thought through from the start to the finished product. There's a 360-day return. The pieces are 925 sterling silver, free shipping, a 1-year guarantee, and absolute secure shopping. Have I kept you waiting for long enough? I think so. I've done a little bit of reference in there. So let's go. So this is the piece of jewellery that I said is 1 but can be 2 pieces of jewellery. Okay, should we open it? It's quite sort of difficult for you to see there, but it's absolutely stunning, as you can see. Let me take it out and we'll inspect. You have got a really gorgeous presentation box there as well for the gift. What I have got is this gorgeous, look at that ring. It absolutely special. Look at that. It's it's an unusual stone. I haven't seen one like this before, which is why I was completely drawn to it. This particular ring is the Bypass Pear Cut Moss Agate engagement ring. Now let me pop that on for you. Isn't that beautiful? Absolutely stunning. What an unusual gemstone. I mean, it's just lovely. I haven't anything like this at all, and that's kind of what drew me to it. There's so much choice on the website, honestly, that I just didn't know what to choose. And then I saw this, I thought, oh, that's different. But what makes it even more different is when you add this into it. This beautiful, beautiful little jacket. So let's slip this off, pop the ring into the jacket, and it absolutely fits in there like a dream. And let's pop it on again. Oh, it's just, look at that, ladies. Just look, isn't that absolutely gorgeous? I mean, there's just no question, is there? That's absolutely stunning. I love it so much. And so you could separate it if you wanted to. I could have, say for example, the ring here. I could, if I wanted to, pop the other half of the ring there like that. Of course, you could use this with other rings as well if you wish to, but I'm going to put it on in the way it's supposed to be because I adore it. And there we are. It's gorgeous. Isn't that gorgeous? What a perfect gift for somebody to gift you, or for you to gift yourself. Does it get any better than that? Yeah, it does. It does. Because I've got the matching necklace. Open the box, and here it is. And there she is. Look at her. Absolutely gorgeous. I'll take my necklace off and put this one on. There we are. So I haven't got it on the extension, but I've got it on the, like the second ring down. So if I wanted to wear it shorter up here, I could, and I absolutely like that look. I love that look actually, because when you're talking, I feel it moves, and so you sort of notice, it, the necklace. But I've just popped it on here, and it could go a little longer if I wanted to. But that is gorgeous. Can you imagine you're out, you're having a drink or a meal, you've got candlelight, and your jewellery is just like glistening away. So romantic. I just think it's stunning. So if you wanted to see the ring on the website, that is what it looks like. Okay. It's got 20% off at the moment. It's £129. You can get it in the gold colourway if you want to. It's just absolutely beautiful. And just a little insight of things that I've read on moss agate. I'll read a little bit for you. It says, throughout history and all cultures, moss agate has been known as the crystal of gardeners and agriculture. It was considered a miraculous healing stone for tribal priests of the past, giving them power to interact with our human organic system, and was used as a talisman to make warriors strong and victorious. So if you do like your gemstones, you like your crystals, that sort of thing, then, I mean, this is going to be a beautiful piece to add to your jewellery wardrobe, isn't it? Absolutely love it. Thank you so much for asking me to review this jewellery. I absolutely adore it. So I'll pop all the details down in the description box. Please pop over to the website and take a look. You're going to see some beautiful pieces of jewellery that you wouldn't expect to see on the website. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. I'll talk to you in my next video. Take care of yourselves wherever you are in the world, and speak again soon. Bye for now. Bye-bye.